Oh, cool. It's a big skate park. All these trolleys remind me. On YouTube, you can find one of the very first televised street competitions. So you're talking like back when all the skateboarders would skate like vert and freestyle. It was like a course on flat ground like this. And then I swear there was a trolley, but maybe not. I've got to check that YouTube video. But yeah, it was just like some obstacles, and they do like hand plants and like bonelesses and stuff off of the street obstacles. Right, that's enough. You get a really cool bank here. No need to go to South Bank because you get a bank. You got a mini ramp about 4 or 5 foot. Large quarter coming down here. Nice graffiti wall at the back. It's next to a basketball court, by the way. Standard. Anyway, yeah, you got rolling, skatelite, pretty good condition. Oh, a little bank tucked away here. I really like this. Oh, right, it's got the Jersey barrier. Yeah, but put it on. A little bit there. A little bit here. Coping's nice. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, street section. Lovely ledge here. I like that they've made that grindable going into the mini ramp. I wonder if anyone ever does like a mani across and then goes in. High ledge, medium ledge. Evidence of a bin that was once on fire. 11 free skate, 2 comp, best trick, 437 games. There was a competition here for sure, a jam. It's well connected to the ground, nice. There we go, quarter pipe. Jump box. And then driveway, hubba, cool, and high flat bar, rolling, seating area with a bin nicely placed next to it, lovely mani pad. There's even babyer ledge here. Now it's nice because normally they all go up like in size here. This is super small. Very nice little step up from the mani pad there. And then I like this, it's angled. It's not a roll on, but it's angled because if you want to practice like 50-50s on a down rail. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love the 2 levels to it. I love that the street section is up high and then you got flat ground down there that joins to the mini ramp. I think it's a super cool space. So yeah, wake up guys, wake up. It's 10:46 a.m. It's a beautiful Sunday. Get yourself down to Bromley. Unless you're running the London Marathon today. It's a massive stair set.